Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to gain free money on Temu. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these tips. So basically, the first thing we need to do is to enter or to access our Temu accounts and make sure that you are logged in to your account. So basically, there are some ways to earn some free money on Temu. The first one is to get some coupons or some money coupons. So basically, it depends on the offers that are provided by the website or by Temu. So if you go down here, so for example, you can find these coupons or like uh, to buy some reduction, etc. But sometimes you can find some coupons that are offered, and maybe you find them here as a notification to that tells you like to gain £100, $100, depends on the currency that you are using, and you can find them also in some other banners from here. So all you need to do is to click on the notification or the banner, something like that. You just click and you can claim your rewards. And basically, you need just to find an opportunity to earn money on Temu. The other way to earn money on Temu is by having a program or affiliating program. To do so, you will need just to go to the bottom of the page in the footer of the page and go to affiliate and influencer program, and you will need just to choose an influencer program, and you can uh, earn money from each referral or from each login. As you can see, you can have some sharing the content, you can have some cash by sharing content. Also, you can have some when your account is approved, you can gain this amount of money, etc. etc. So, but you need just to meet the requirements of your account. You will need just to meet the requirements of the program. So you need just to sign up here, and basically you will need to have some followers. So make sure that your account has as many followers as you can, and basically you will need just to sign up to the program and you will be able to earn money by every referral and etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.